This Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Wednesday and it's holiday in my country. It's a youth day. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold, guys. NASDAQ and US30 was just going down, but I think maybe we reached a support level, which was a resistance days before. You can see this. Before it was a resistant, and now it seems like we reached a level where the market can push up. Okay, before we go there, guys, I have some bad news. There is people who try to scam other people with my name. They use my video and other stuff. So there's some, I saw they created even a Discord group. It's called Extra Hot Forex. Guys, if you want the correct information, just go to my YouTube channel, check the description. You will find my phone number and my contact. I mean, everything there is just there, it's clear. So there is this fool, I think he took like 3 weeks to pay me to join the group. Once he joined the group, he now acts as a mentor, or he say he manages account. Guys, please, guys, don't let people manage your account while they are our student here. They are my student. They even can't pay $15, which I was just a subscription fee that I charged before I started some groups. Then this guy, he took like 3 weeks to get that $15, but now he's now telling me that he's a account manager, whatever. So obviously he will just blow your account, guys. Stay away from people like this. He even created the group. On the other group is the name is Forex Mentors. On the other one, I saw it was for Extra Hot Forex, but he just added a dash so that the app can allow him to create the name. So please, guys, if you don't get my contacts from my YouTube or my Telegram group, which is on my description, please don't fall for that. Please, it's not me. I'm from South Africa, guys. When you do the payments, you will just see that my names are there. It's maropenkenneth@gmail.com, or on my bank details is different, but you will see that the banks are from South Africa. So this fool, actually it's not a guy, it's a fool. I think he's from India. So he tried to scam you guys. So please stay away from people like that. So I think I don't have to give him too much attention. He will just die poor. So let's just continue and do what we're good at. So guys, don't let people manage your account. I don't even manage people's account. Why? Because I make my own money. Why should I manage someone's account if I have my own cash? I can do my own money, so I don't need 2% or 20% of anyone. You see, I can do that at myself. But remember, if they go around telling you this and that, they say, I saw on the comments, he said, hey, I just joined yesterday, I lost this and that. Remember, guys, when you join my team, I never said you will never lose. We do lose and we do make money. Ask the real people. They will tell you that we really do make money. Or just go on my free Telegram and just go there. Maybe you will see the results. I also send some few signals in there, so you will see by yourself. I'm also here publicly on YouTube to show you that I'm genuine. So let's go straight to NASDAQ and see what we can do. These guys, they don't even have some YouTube channel. They use our videos because they know nothing, you see. So let's just go back to NASDAQ and see what we can get. So guys, don't get confused. Sometimes if you just want to trade, you end up trying to get some perfect entries or whatever. even where they are not available. You can see here, this is a resistance, guys. This is a resistance. The market broke this resistance here, pushed up, and now what we see, if you check my previous video, you will see that okay, this area might be a support. Why? Because previously we have this area, this zone, as a resistance. So this zone, when you continue, we can see that it's a potential area to be what, to be a support. So what we want to do here, like yesterday, I think we lost somewhere here. I don't know if, because it was a pending order, I tried to take a buy around there, I also lost. So but here it's an area where we see that this is a nice support. But let's wait for the market to bounce back here, then we can see the market pushing up, you see. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame, guys. Remember, guys, even if you are a millionaire or professional, whatever, even if you have like 100 years trading, you will still take those small losses. Small losses doesn't mean you blow in your account. Why? Because we apply our risk management. How can you blow an account if you apply your risk management? You won't, right? Yes. So if you apply your risk management, you will just lose certain amount. Then that certain amount is only that. Then you can just try to trade again until you get it right. So you can't blow account. We don't blow account. If you blow accounts, guys, it means you are just over risking. You see, you don't know the importance of stop losses. You see, so here it's a bit small time frame. You can see the market, it's around here, this level. Let's say it's just 4,000, it's 14,000. 30, yeah, 14,030 around here. So the market is trying to resist, and this is a 2-hour time frame, guys. So let me try to zoom that. I just want to show you something. You can see this, we have like 2, 4, 6, 8 candles are playing around this area. And remember, we also have Fed rate today, later on. So I also think that from those economic news, the market can push higher, or maybe we can see a breakout around this support, you see. So from this, it means we just have to wait. Why? This is another confirmation that actually this is an area where we can just look at, you see. And plus, I showed you back then that this area is also important. So if here you see like 8 candles playing on the same row, it means let's just wait, because the market will just consolidate and maybe we can see another push up, you see. If not, maybe we will see a push down. Why? Because at the moment I think it's overbought. Actually, this is overbought. So we just have to wait for the market to retest or to breathe before we can say it's time to go higher. Guys, the market has to take its time. We don't have to chase the market, you see. If you chase the market, you will have to create some fake opportunities which are not even there, you see. So this is a 2-hour time frame, guys. You can see that. So let me try to draw what I'm used to. Let me just remove everything. Let me show you, maybe we can get something. Why? Actually, my strategy is trends trading or something like that. I follow the trends, guys. This is the simplest strategy that you can use, yet is very powerful. Why? Because you have to really follow exactly what the strategy is telling you. Sometimes you might find that your strategy is not that powerful. Why? Because maybe you don't follow that. You sometimes skip the rules, sometimes you do your own thing, then you will think maybe the strategy is not powerful. If you have the strategy, please follow that strategy. You will see its power, but most of the time you still going to lose. But if maybe you win more than 60%, it's much better, you see. So people, they must not fool you and tell you that you're not going to lose this and that. No, you're still going to lose, but as long as the time you make money, you can make enough money to cover all your losses. That is what we want, guys. But to be on that level, you should get that knowledge. Get the knowledge first, guys. because when I do these lines, people they think maybe it's just a play. Why? Because I just draw the lines and say here resistance, buy here, whatever. There's a knowledge behind these lines, guys. That's why we make money. So yeah, I think the market will create something like this here. If we don't break this, if we don't break this resistance, or sorry, this support here, we can see the market pushing higher. Why? Remember, I also told you that this area is also a support. If we go back, you see, if we go back, it's also a very nice support. So my overview for today is the market can push up, obviously, or if that doesn't happen, or later on, because we have some economic news, Fed rate, maybe we will see the market break in this area, retest, or maybe you can't see that retest, the market can just drop, or if it does retest, then we will see a sell-off. Maybe the market will reach this area, maybe 13,700 or lower. We don't know that. We have to wait for the market. But at the moment, we are on a very nice zone where we should what? Buy. You see? Yeah, it's where we should buy. If we lose, it's fine. We're going to put our stop loss around this area. If we lose, it's fine. But remember, check here. If you were following this strategy, it means from this area you were going to make money. This you're going to make money. Maybe even here you were going to make some cash. But if that doesn't happen, it's still fine. We will get another opportunity somewhere, somehow. You see? So let's go straight to US30 and see what is happening over there. Come on, US30. Come on. On US30, guys, I really missed this one. I told my people to sell. You can see this thing was still on. Then after I was just watching CNBC when they talk about some economic news. Then I panicked and I told my people, guys, you can close before we touch the stop loss. And guess what? The market just dropped. You see? And you know what? These things like this happen sometimes, because sometimes if you follow those, the market can sometimes do exactly what you do. Why? Because it's a game of probabilities, you see. So we took a small loss, but actually we were right. I sent the sell signal, which I hope everyone took that. Then minutes later I said you should close that, but now I see that that was my mistake. You can see here the market is still creating some nice moves. So until maybe we reach this support here, the market can push up. I hope you watched my previous video. Let me just go to a bit bigger time frame, or yeah, let me remove this. Let me remove. So I want to show you exactly why I say this is a support. You can see that. Let me draw another one. Guys, I'm not any guru. I can't say I'm a guru. I just have an experience, and that experience I put it into action. We don't just talk, we put it into action. So that's why we make money and we also lose. Why? Because we trade, guys. We don't do account management thing. So you can see this area, and this area, this zone. You can see the market is playing around these zones. So here there's much possibility that, okay, and we are already at this level, there's much possibility that US30 can still push higher. It's 34,260. It's this zone here where the market can still push higher. Why? Because we have an evidence here that if we place our buy orders around this zone, 80% chance is you're going to make profit. That is how you trade, guys. As long as most of the time you're going to make money, what else do you want? We just want something which will make us money. So this is the one. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame. So you can see that already we are on this support here. So this is a zone where we need the market to reach, but sometimes the market won't reach this zone. But since we have the news later on, there is possibility that the market can still give us like some long week before it can push up again. But the best thing that you can do is to be careful as always, and always when you place your order, please make sure you place a stop loss, you see, before the market can go up, or even if maybe it's a sell, place that stop loss, because we are not 100% sure. So let's check gold and see what's really happening on gold, guys. We never had a this week, we never had a gold signal. Let's see. We never had gold signal because gold was just going down. So we just waiting for the market to reach our level where we can say now it's time to sell again. Even if I go to an hour, you can see that we don't see any opportunity. But I think something like this, it's creating something like that. Let me try to draw something like that, guys. You see, I think it's respecting this support here, now resistant. I think it's just playing around this, but this doesn't have to confuse you because it's on a bit smaller time frame, guys. The biggest one is this one, this the one that you should rely on, the one that you should rely on. The best thing is, guys, people who lose, that the people who are always on the market. Sometimes make that profit, get out, make that profit, get out. If you stay and just want to take any opportunity in the market or any signal that you see, you're just inviting a losing streak or a losing opportunity. I'm not saying you're not totally going to make money. Some we're going to make money, but sometimes you're not going to make some cash. So, but if you wait for the market to reach this zone, it's best way to trade. Why? Sorry. It's the best way to trade because at this area, when the market touches the market just runs. You can see when the market touches this area, the market just creates those bigger moves, you see. So the market is actually creating something like this. I think the market will create something like that until we see, maybe when we say we're going to sell, we can wait for the market to reach this area, then we can sell. If it breaks, it's where we're going to buy here. If it breaks our support, it's also where we can say now let's sell below this. But actually we're selling here. Why? Because my strategy is trend line, and trend line, they go with the trend, you see. So the trend now, it's a downtrend. It means I'm only selling. If NASDAQ is just going up, I'm only buying. If US30 is just consolidating, I can place buy and sell anytime that I want. So when you join my team, guys, don't expect me to sell anything like on NASDAQ, because my strategy is when NASDAQ is pushing up, I will only buy. Why? Because actually, but they say don't go against the trend, go with the trend. Trend is your friend, right? It's a simple thing, it's a simple rule, but people, they don't really follow that. That's why they still lose even today. So I think this is enough, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't fall for fake groups, guys. They call themselves Extra Hot Forex. It means Extra Hot Forex is doing some good job. Actually, I'm also teaching most of your mentors out there, even the one who's trying to be me. I don't know. Okay, let me not go deeper, but it's not me. I don't know why you want to be an Extra Hot Forex. You don't even know where that name is coming from. So anyway, this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Extra Hot Forex. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow. So actually today it's a holiday in South Africa. It's a youth day. So I hope you have a good one. This is Kenzo. Bye.